y'all, Miranda here with Miranda's Hauls and More, and I have a double Etsy unboxing. The first one is going to be a jewelry unboxing, and this is from Lula Bug Jewelry, I believe. I'll try to leave everything down in the what's it called? The description box. Sorry guys, Molly's here with me. And she was meowing. Here, Molly, can you hold that for Mama, please? Okay, so I ordered some earrings, and these are like pencils. Maybe. Like little pencils, pencil earrings. So I ordered some of them. Oh my, nothing, one of the little diamonds fell out. Okay, so I ordered some diamond cross earrings, but I think one or two of the diamonds out of the other one fell out, so I'll have to look for that and see. What you doing, Molly? Oh, these are so cute. These are little donut stud earrings. Those are really cute. Oh, look how pretty these are. They're hearts, but they have like little bubbles or something in them. What are you doing, Molly? Oh. And then I ordered these. These look like our cat Winter, because she's a Siamese kitty. And of course you see Molly sniffing my hair. Oh, okay. And then I ordered, oh, and I'm dropping them, little pink glittery heart studs. Michael, here in a minute, can you help me pick up my earrings?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I have an unboxing from, this is, I believe, the shop is called Witch Talk. Yeah. Off of Etsy. It says, "Thank you, Miranda. Enjoy, love, Crystal." So that is her name. And then she gave me a sticker that is the moon. So that'll go on my sticker cabinet. Alright, I forget what all I ordered from her. I know it was like a lot of like surprise mystery items. Oh, okay. So this must be the mystery crystal stuff. Okay, so this here is, or is it something for me to make? It might be something for me to make, because here are little glass jars. Here's one glass jar. I do see another one. And I'm snapping the bubble wrap. Okay, and there's another one. Okay, so that one's a little bit bigger than that one. And then we have a piece of Palo Santo. Okay. Flex seed. Ooh, here's some more rose quartz, which is one of my favorites. Here is some turquoise. And, alright, I don't know what this is. It says thank you on it. Maybe I can get it open. She wrapped it really good. Okay, and here is a another piece of like one of those selenite wands. Okay. So that kind of looks like a protection thing. So I'm not quite sure. I'll have to check later and see what that was. Okay, and then here's another little mystery pouch. Here is a deer antler. Gar scales. So I guess these are kind of like little odds and ends. And then a petite Oko geode, I believe. Can't really see it too good. We'll set it there. Okay, yeah, and then I ordered a lot of different like mystery herbs. Okay, so here is some of that, which I did need some of that. Basil. Lemon balm. Alfalfa. And rosemary, which I do use this. I make a tea that is like rosemary and peppermint, and it helps with headaches and stuff like that. Okay, here's rose petals. Okay, yeah, and I'm at the bottom. Okay. Dandelion, which this would make good tea as well. Excuse me, Molly. Lavender. Thyme. Yeah, that's what I'm smelling. That is very strong. And St. John's. And something else here. Okay, and here is a jasper, red jasper, a point, crystal point. Is what these are called. Alright guys, so I got some really good stuff this time with both unboxings, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like the video, please subscribe, and please hit that notification bell. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Till next time, love y'all. Bye.